Hello friends, in this video we are going to do a step-by-step tutorial on copy trading in the RaceOption Broker. Keep in mind, with copy trading, you can easily follow the trading strategies of professional individuals and perform better in financial markets. When entering the trading dashboard in the RaceOption Broker, click on the copy trading option from the left menu. To access the copy trade section, define a username and click Start Copying. This section displays information about professional traders, whose trades you can copy. You'll see a list of top traders, including their profit amounts, success rates, and total trades executed. You can sort traders by different time frames: daily, weekly, and monthly. View a list of top traders, and information about these traders is displayed here, including the profit amount earned by traders. This rate shows the percentage of successful trades of these traders, and you can also see the total number of trades executed. Sort by time frames: daily, weekly, and monthly. In the Enter Username section, search for a specific trader by name. Find the top performing trader in a specific time frame. Search for a trader by name and view their account details. Find traders by name, view account details, profit, return rate, trades, last trades, profits in dollars, watch monthly trades. Traders account, profit, return trades, last trades, profits in dollars, watch for monthly trades, copy to replicate. You will see information such as total profit, rate of return, total number of trades, and details of the last executed trades. In this section, the profit amount is displayed in dollars. By activating the watch option in this section, we'll be able to see this trader's trades on a monthly basis. By selecting the copy option in this section, this person's trades will be copied for you. And as you can see in this section, the more copy trading settings open up for us. In the first section, the percentage of the trades that are copied from this trader is set here to 100%. In the next section, the suggested ratio for copying, which is 100%, and the individual options. In this section, the minimum amount for a trade that gets copied is set to $1. And in the next part, the maximum amount for a trade that gets copied is set to $50. You select the Start Copying button to begin the process of copying this trader's trades, and you can automatically copy the trades of a successful trader. If you wish to stop copying, you can click on Stop Copying. Copy trading doesn't guarantee profits. And keep in mind that copy trading does not guarantee that trades will always be profitable. Wishing you success and profitability.